I got this piece all fit up, ready to weld. My gaps look very nice, actually. Weld that inner piece in.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone.
I have a Ford Explorer here with some quarter panel damage right here. Nothing major. So I'm gonna go ahead and work this quarter panel out, get the metal straightened out on it. So I am getting back onto this Dodge Ram Bedside from yesterday. If you guys saw yesterday's episode,
previously on Inside the Body Shop,
I have the bed off of a Dodge Ram here. It's gonna get a new bedside. It also gets this inner brace. And this one's made different, but it will not fit. So they're making some phone calls. So this one's gonna be on hold for now. I cut this piece off, and this was the part I had gotten to replace it with, and it looks correct. But if you look closely, this has a 45-degree angle here. This one does not. And so our estimator went and did some Googling and figuring some stuff out, and they figured out a different part number for this. And this is the correct part. And you can see the difference. This one's a straight 90, this one has a 45. And the depth from here to here is different. So this one wouldn't fit. So now you can see this one fits perfectly just like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this inner structure, these two pieces welded in. This piece as well as this piece goes on there with it. And then once I get that done, I will go ahead and start getting the bedside on. right, I got this piece all fit up, ready to weld. I'm gonna get that welded on, and then I will go ahead and weld this piece on, just like that. Then I will get onto the outer bedside panel, get this welded together. So I was just fitting up this second part here, getting this ready to weld, and this is where the tailgate hinges off of, this bottom piece. And I started looking at it and realized that this particular truck has no adjustment on this bottom point, not on here or on the tailgate. So I want to make sure this is exactly perfect. So before I weld that piece on, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fit up the bedside and the tailgate, because if this isn't right, it's going to be a problem. So I want to make sure it's exactly where it needs to be, considering there's no adjustment. Most trucks have a piece here you could adjust. This one does not. So now I have the bedside and the tailgate sitting on here. My gaps look very nice, actually. So I'm gonna lift it back off, weld that inner piece in. Both of those, the rest of both of those pieces, I have to spot weld this other one too. So then I'll get onto the outer panel. I'm going to go ahead and seal up all of these seams that you can't get to once I have the bedside on, because once I put that outer panel on, I won't be able to get to any of this. So I'm going to seal it up now. All right, I have this bedside all fit up, ready to weld. It's about to wrap for the day though, so I will get back on it and I will get it welded on first thing in the morning. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Oh, I stay putting in that work.